Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Today is another day. So today is a daily vlog, guys. I want to be doing daily vlogging every day. Sorry guys, I'm on the road vlogging every day of the month of August. I know today is 2nd. I wanted to post this video yesterday but couldn't post it. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So I'm here with my daughter. We're just going to the chemist. Okay, so I've taken out my hair. I hope you guys will support my daily vlog. I'll be trying to see if I can do daily vlog. So I decided to do it, to start it this month of August. Today is 2nd of August, as I say. I was supposed to start it yesterday. I was supposed to have told you guys since yesterday or before, on the day before today. But I forgot too many things I was doing. So please guys, I'm going to try my best. This is my first time of vlogging every day of the month. I tend to do this to the end of August, hopefully, so help me God. And I'm also hoping to do Vlogmas and Vlogtober. I don't know, so but let's start this one first and see how we go. Okay guys, so my daughter is there. I don't know why she's wearing face mask. We are in the open outside and she's wearing face mask. This girl is character. She's character. When you say somebody's character, she's character. So guys, please support my everyday vlog. Please watch it. I will try my best and post my everyday, what I do every day. Some days might just be boring. Some days might be interesting. Okay guys, yeah. So let me show you my front. We are just walking to the chemist. Let's show you my front. I'm using my phone to vlog because if I carry my camera, I'm sure the whole of London will be looking at me. They'll be looking at me like they haven't seen me before. Okay guys. So I'm just walking to the chemist. Some people might know where I am. If you know where I am, that means you live very close to me. Yeah. My daughter used to go to the school just ahead of me that you guys can see. Okay. She used to go to that school. So if you know where I am in this vlog, that means you live pretty close to me. Okay guys, so we are going to the chemist now. Let's hope the chemist is not closed. I like these dandelions. Is it dandelions? Or what do they call this one, Precious? I think it's the yellow one that is dandelion. Yeah, I think it's those little yellow ones that are dandelions. Okay. So that was my daughter's school when she was 3 years old. So we are going all the way down. It's a nursery. They're on holiday now. It's a nursery. I'm just hoping I don't start sneezing because I didn't take my hay fever tablet today. Oh God. Okay, the chemist is not very far from where we are now. I will soon be there. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this vlog a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post a video. Yes guys, I've taken out my hair. I see guys, see? I've taken it, I washed it. My hair is not black. I have like a red, how will I call it? Red kind of hair. I don't have a black hair. It's my daughter that has black hair. My older daughter, she had the same color of hair like me. Okay, so we're just going to cross to the side of the chemist. Okay, guys, I'm just walking down to the chemist. I'm nearly there. I hope they're still open. Oh yeah.
I'm going to the gym now. Look, my photographer thing.
You want me to take you a picture?
Sandra.
Okay, I'll take you some pictures. Oh, thank you, precious. Okay, guys, so we've collected the medicine and we are just walking. Do you know that I have not even gone to that bridge? I don't even know. I think it leads to the other end. I haven't been. Can you imagine? So everywhere is peaceful and calm. Yeah, we came through this road here. So let's go through the alleyway. I mean the buildings. Okay guys, hope you're enjoying taking a walk with us. I'm going back home now because I want to sort the clothes out. And yeah, I'll try my best not to do long vlogs every day. Hopefully like between 10 to 20 minutes, maximum 25 minutes vlog. So every day. For the month of August, let's hope I can do it. My first time of trying vlogging every day for a month, even though I've missed 1 month. Oh, I like this flower. Can you guys see this flower? It's pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. That's someone's garden I'm looking at. And the white ones. And these ones. I don't know what they are called, but they look pretty. So yeah. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe. Oh, look at this big giant sunflower. That's huge. Can you guys see it? It's massive. Okay guys, my daughter has she has she has run away. I was trying to talk to the gardener, the guy that planted the huge sunflower. And Precious have run away. Look at her over there. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? She just wants to get home. We are nearly home anyway. It's good to come out and take a walk. Look at the flowers, the beautiful flowers and plants. Okay guys, we are home now. Just trying to remove my shoe and my my jumper, what do they call it now? Coat, I don't know. Denim jacket or something like that. Yeah guys, so what I'm trying to do now. I'm using one hand. Okay guys, let me take off my coat and then I'll talk to you guys. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Hope you enjoy my little vlog. So I'll be vlogging every day, as I've said, for the month of August. Hopefully I also do October and also Christmas, December. Please guys, watch it, even if it's for 3 minutes. I'll be very grateful. This is my first time of doing vlog in the monthly, every day, daily vlog. So I have to be posting every day, vlogging every day, posting every day. So help me God. Oh my God, this is my first time of doing that. I really hope, I pray I can do it, God. Guys, please support me. Please, 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 please. I'm begging. Watch the videos I post every day. It's a daily vlog, so it's a little bit of my day, every day of my life in the month of August. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thanks for your support. God bless you all for your support. I'll catch you guys in my next vlog, which is tomorrow. Okay, guys. Bye, guys.